Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see what is distinct statement in MySQL, how you can use that distinct statement in select query. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. So first of all, as you can see on your screen, we are currently in localhost php myadmin. In that we have created one database with Letsfindcourse. There is one table with LFC and there are 5 columns over here: ID, first name, last name, age and city. In the table LFC there are 6 records. ID is a unique 1 2 3 4 5 6. First name you can see, last name you can see. Age can be the same for two records. As you can see, the same age 38 and 38, and the city can be same, like you can see Mumbai over 2 times. So in this video we are going to see how you can apply the distinct statement in select query, what is the use of distinct statement, and we will learn the distinct statement with the help of several examples. So distinct statement is used to give you unique or different values in the table. Suppose if I apply the distinct statement in age, then the output will be 31, 26, 35, 38 and 44 only. As 38 comes over 2 times, so it will select only unique values. So 138 will be reduced from the output. In a similar way, if you apply distinct statement in city, the output will be Mumbai, Delhi, Mangalore, Ranchi and Chandigarh. So Mumbai come over 2 times, so it will take only 1 time. So in this way, distinct statement works in select query. Now we will see the syntax of distinct statement in select query. You have to select the SQL. In that I will type the distinct statement syntax. Now you can see the syntax of distinct statement in select query. Select distinct, column name, column 1, column 2. You can see the you can take column to the n times, and there will be a table name. Now we will see how distinct work on age and city. So you have to take the distinct as age. You can also use the brackets. Now the table name will be LFC. So our query will be select distinct age from LFC. So it will give you the unique values, or you can say the different values from that column age. So when I go with this query, you can see the output as 31, 26, 35, 38 was 2 times in that age column. So now 38 comes only 1 time, and 44. In a similar way, if we apply select distinct city in LFC, or when I go with this query, you can see Mumbai is only 1 time because it will select only unique values: Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Ranchi and Chandigarh. And as you know, ID is unique. All the records are unique in ID, so it should return all the values of ID 1 2 3 4 5 6. There is a no common value in column ID. So when I go with this query, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. So all the values are there from ID. The distinct statement will give you only unique values when you use that distinct statement in select query. You cannot use distinct statement in update, delete or any other query. You can use only distinct statement in select query. So this is regarding the distinct statement, how distinct statement work in select query. So if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.